Today, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar will speak on the supply chain management. The supply chain management course is offering in most of the management colleges. This is the contents of the supply chain management syllabus. Introduction to the supply chain management, achieving excellence in the supply chain management, vendor relationship, supply chain network design, inbound logistics, outbound logistics, warehousing and distribution centers, inventory management, transportation infrastructure, facility location, material handling, strategic consideration in the supply chain, effectiveness of the supply chain management, Porter's industry analysis and the value chain model, concept of the total cost, supply stream strategy, and classification and the developing guidelines. These are the 12 topics of the course of the supply chain management. And today we discuss about the introduction to the supply chain management. In this, we'll discuss about the objectives, introduction to the supply chain management, meaning of the development chain, global optimization, the evolution of the supply chain management, managing uncertainty and the risk, key issues and complexity in the supply chain management, summary, self-assessment questions, key term, references, and the suggested readings. After studying this chapter, you will be able to understand the meaning of supply chain, the evolution of the supply chain management, various issues and complexity in the supply chain management, meaning of the development chain, concept of optimization of the supply chain, scope of the supply chain management. Introduction of the supply chain management. For many reasons, interest in logistics and supply chain management has grown explosively in the last few years. This interest has led many companies to analyze their supply chain. In most cases, however, this has been done based on the experience and institution. Very few analytical models or design tools have been used in this process. Meanwhile, in the last 2 decades, the academic community has developed various models and tools to assist with the management of the supply chain. Unfortunately, the first generation of this technology was not robust or flexible enough to be effectively utilized by industry. This, however, has changed in the last few years. Analysis and insight have improved and effective models and decision support systems have been developed. For example, transportation managers deciding which models of the transportation to use, inventory control managers wanting to ensure smooth production with as little inventory as possible, purchasing supply managers designing contracts with their company, suppliers, and the clients, and logistics managers in charge of their company's supply chain, all can be benefited from these newly developed decision support system. Today's fierce competition in the global market, the introduction of the products with the shorter life cycle, and the heightened expectations of the customer have forced business enterprise to invest in and focus attention on their supply chain. This, together with the continuing advances in the communication and transportation technology, mobile communication, internet, and overnight delivery, has motivated the continuous evolution of the supply chain and of the techniques to manage it effectively. In a typical supply chain, raw material are procured and items are produced at one or more factory, shipped to the warehouses for intermediate storage, and then shipped to the retailers or the customer. Consequently, to reduce the cost and improve service level, effective supply chain strategy must take into account the interaction at the various levels in the supply chain. The supply chain, which is also referred to as the logistic network, consists of the suppliers, manufacturing centers, warehouses, distribution centers, retail outlets, as well as the raw material, work in process inventory, finished products that flow between the facility that's shown in the figure 1.1. This is the figure 1.1 of the supply chain management network. Suppliers are there, material cost is there, transportation cost is there, manufacturing cost is there. These are the manufacturer, warehouses and distribution centers. These are the inventory cost, and these are the customers are there. These are the customers are there. Then the supply chain management is a set of the approaches utilized to efficiently integrate suppliers, manufacturer, warehouses, and stores so that merchandise is produced and distributed at the right quantity to the right location at the right time in order to minimize system-wide costs while satisfying service level requirement. The above definition leads to the several observations. First, supply chain management takes into consideration every facility that has an impact on cost and plays a role in making the product conform to the customer requirement. From supplier and manufacturing facility through warehouses and distribution center to the retailers and store. Indeed, in some supply chain analysis, it is necessary to account for the suppliers and customer because they have an impact on the supply chain performance. Second, the objective of the supply chain management is to be efficient and the cost effective across the entire system, total system wide cost from the transportation and distribution, inventories of the raw material, work in process, and the finished goods are to be minimized. Finally, because supply chain management revolves around an effective integration of the suppliers, manufacturer, warehouses, stores, it encompasses the firm's activity at the many levels of the strategic level, of the tactical to the operational level. What about the logistics management or value chain management or demand management? Various companies, consultant, academics have developed a variety of the terms and concept of the stage, what they believe are the silent issues in the supply chain management. In the present chapter, supply chain management is used as a generic term for the set of the concept, approaches, strategy, and ideas that we are discussing.